Picture windows are a beautiful feature in many Mesa homes, offering wide, unobstructed views and allowing natural light to fill interior spaces. However, the desert environment, characterized by dust, heat, and occasional wind, can quickly affect how clean and clear your windows look. Without proper maintenance, dirt buildup and environmental factors can reduce visibility and diminish the overall appeal of your home. Fortunately, with the right care routine, homeowners can keep their picture windows looking spotless and performing well year-round. One of the most important steps in maintaining clear picture windows is regular cleaning. In Mesa, dust and sand can accumulate quickly on glass surfaces, especially during windy days. Cleaning your windows at least once every few weeks helps prevent buildup that can become harder to remove over time. Using a soft cloth or sponge with a mild, non-abrasive cleaner ensures that the glass remains clear without scratching the surface. Timing also plays a role in effective cleaning. It's best to clean windows during cooler parts of the day, such as early morning or late afternoon. Cleaning in direct sunlight can cause cleaning solutions to dry too quickly, leaving streaks behind. By choosing the right time, homeowners can achieve a clearer, streak-free finish. Another helpful tip is to use the right tools. A squeegee is especially effective for large picture windows, as it helps remove water and cleaning solution evenly. Microfiber cloths are also ideal for wiping down glass without leaving lint or residue. Avoid using rough materials or harsh chemicals, as these can damage the glass or any protective coatings. Keeping the window frames clean is just as important as cleaning the glass. Dust and debris can collect along the edges and frames, eventually spreading onto the glass surface. Wiping down the frames regularly helps maintain the overall appearance and prevents dirt from accumulating in hard-to-reach areas. In Mesa's climate, hard water spots can also be an issue. Mineral deposits from water can leave marks on the glass that are difficult to remove if left untreated. Using a solution designed to break down mineral buildup can help restore clarity. Regular cleaning prevents these spots from becoming permanent and keeps the windows looking polished. Another key aspect of maintenance is checking for damage or buildup around seals. Although picture windows do not open, their seals are still important for maintaining clarity and performance. Dirt or debris around the edges can affect the appearance and potentially impact insulation. Gently cleaning these areas helps preserve both the look and function of the window. Protecting windows from excessive dust exposure can also make a difference. While it's impossible to eliminate dust entirely in a desert environment, homeowners can take steps such as maintaining landscaping, using ground cover, or adding outdoor features that reduce the amount of airborne debris near the home. These small changes can help keep windows cleaner for longer periods. Interior cleaning is equally important. Dust, fingerprints, and smudges can accumulate on the inside of picture windows, especially in high traffic areas. Regularly wiping down the interior glass ensures that views remain clear and unobstructed. This also allows more natural light to enter the home, enhancing the overall brightness of the space. Another useful tip is to inspect the glass for scratches or wear. While modern picture windows are designed to be durable, regular inspection helps identify any issues early. Addressing minor concerns promptly can prevent them from affecting the window's clarity or performance over time. Proper maintenance also helps preserve any energy-efficient coatings on the glass. Many picture windows include features that reduce heat transfer while allowing light to pass through. Using gentle cleaning methods ensures that these coatings remain intact and continue to perform effectively. Professional cleaning can be beneficial for larger or hard-to-reach windows. Experts have the tools and experience to clean windows thoroughly and safely, ensuring a spotless finish. Scheduling occasional professional maintenance can complement regular at-home care. In conclusion, keeping picture windows clear in Mesa requires consistent care and attention to detail. Regular cleaning, proper tools, and attention to frames and seals all contribute to maintaining a spotless appearance. By following these maintenance tips, homeowners can enjoy bright, unobstructed views and maximize the benefits of their picture windows for years to come.